Hi, my name is Chaitra. I'm the proud student of NIECCE. I'm working as a central head. School name is Wonder Kids. So I'm very happy that I belongs to this NIECCE family. Most important thing is I thought that NIECCE will be the same institute as other institutes are running, like it will be very liberal in studying or submitting the projects or in the exam this thing all, but they are very strict in all aspects. My assumption was really wrong in that. We literally studied like a students when we were in college or in school days. And the exam procedure was really very interesting and inspiring also. Specifically Munmu ma'am, Anita ma'am and Sahana ma'am, they are the role models for my life, because my career life. Now financial stability is really there for me because of this institute. I am very much proud to say that I belongs to NIECCE family. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share my opinion. Thank you so much.